Um, Here's something I got yesterday, for free, of all things. We went to a church, and they were giving us free stuff since our house burnt down, and it was mostly clothes. I mean, we got plenty of that now, but I seen this, and, they said you can have anything for free, so I figured I'd take this, and I did. It's a General Electric little alarm clock with the dial light, made in USA, I believe. Snooze alarm, view alarm. I don't know what that means. It has a snooze button on the top. It's basically just a basic clock. I'm sure it has a model number somewhere. Model 7322K. 115 volts, 60 cycles, 2 watts. Bridgeport, Connecticut, made in the USA. So yeah. And it does work. It works pretty good. Let's see if I can show the light. It's going to be hard to do. Yeah, the light does work on this amazingly. But, yeah. So I forget which one does what here. Turn the alarm on. Yeah, works just like that. Just as you would expect. But, yeah, I figured I'd show that off. As you can see, the light works. And there's the alarm light right there. Yeah. There's a GE alarm clock. I would imagine it's from the 60s or 70s, but I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.